Generating a trading summary report. Reports such as the trading summary provide valuable information on the performance of your business. In this lesson, you'll learn how to run a trading summary report and print or export your report. From Reports, select Trading Summary. Select a date from the left panel to view the details. You can also view trading details for predefined periods, for example last week. Or you can customize the date range by clicking on the From and To dates and selecting the dates from the calendar. After you have selected your date range, click Run to display the report. To export the report to Excel, click Export. Or to print the trading summary, click Print. In this lesson, you've learned how to run a trading summary report and print or export your report.